Alright guys, today we are going to be doing a coil on a Husqvarna 125B. It's got no spark. I'll put the brand new coil in the description below. They're cheap, Amazon. This helps you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is take out these 4 screws right here. Those are torque 25 little star screws. Remove the recoil. Then we've got some more screws up top. And all this tape is the customer's phone numbers and stuff. Got one here, one over here. Let's take those 2 off. More right here. Pull it off. You have to kind of pry it by the spark plug boot. It'll come right on off. There she is, the coil. Alright. So torque 25 again. You've got one up here. It's got a ground wire on it. Here, remove the spark plug boot. It's got a ground wire on it, and then one down here. Take those 2 out. Here, you unplug the wire too. That's the kill wire for shutting it off. We're going to go ahead and just a little touch of sandpaper, clean off the grounds. Make sure that they're both the exact same. They are. We're going to pop this one up on here. And get the bolts started. Don't tighten them up, just get them started. See, just started. That's all. One side of the flywheel has magnets, the other side does not. We want to concentrate on the side that's got magnets. We take a business card, it's my shop right there, put it right inside here, and then we're going to turn this until the magnets are lined up with the 2 metal pieces, and it'll actually suck this into it. So hold the card. Lined up, and you see it's actually sucked right up against it. I like to hold the coil nice and tight against the flywheel, and then tighten these 2 torque 25s down. Don't forget to put the ground wire on. I'm going to do that now. And you just pull this right on out. You just turn the flywheel. Boom. And if you look, you'll see got a perfect gap. Perfect. Plug your kill wire back in. Ground wire's on. Don't forget that. Plug your spark plug back in. Nice and tight. Then we're going to go ahead and make sure all this stayed where it was supposed to be and everything. See, the ground is your hand. Your hand's the ground. How's that? Is that nice? Alright. Pop this right back on. Line it up. Get it by the spark plug boot. Hold on, it takes two hands. A little plastic flap in here. This has to be pulled out, and the plastic flap goes behind it. Make sure it's all down nice and tight. And then we've got recoil, set it right down on place. So you've got 2 different styles of screws here. You got coarse thread and fine thread. The fine threads go in the recoil, 4 of them. 4. And then there's 3 fine threads, or coarse threads. 1, 2, 3. And then you just tighten them all down. Alright, unfortunately this thing won't start. It must have had a coil issue, and then they let it sit for a while, because it also has a carburetor issue. I did check the spark before. It had no spark. I can put that spark tester in the description for you below as well. Now it's got really strong spark, but it still isn't running. It's a carburetor issue. But anyways, This is how you do a coil on these. Pretty simple job. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.